Hello guys, and today please let us present to you our group project about mass customization in production planning control. Mass customization in introduction is a strategy that blends the speed of mass production with the flexibility of the customization. It allows companies to deliver products and match individual customer preference while still keeping costs under control. This concept became more important as customer demand for personalized products increases, and traditional mass production could no longer keep up. Mass customization relies on methods like modular design, assemble to order, and configure to order, along with technologies such as automation, CAD, CAM, and 3D printing. This helps companies to prepare components in advance to customize the final product only when customer requirements are known. The goal of mass customization is to balance variety and efficiency, giving the customers personalized product without high cost or long waiting time. With this strategy, companies can respond more quickly, reduce waste, use resources more effectively, and stay competitive in fast-changing markets. This timeline shows how production systems gradually evolved to meet higher customer expectations. At first, mass production focused on making one standard product for everyone, started from make to stock, producing goods for stock, which worked only when demand was predictable. As customers wanted the product more variety and able to be customized, companies shift to traditional make-to-order, where production starts after receiving an order. But this caused long lead times. To reduce delays, assembly to order was introduced, allowing customers to be prepared, allowing components to be prepared in advance and assembled based on customer choices. Overall, assemble to order is still not the most suitable approach if product doesn't match the customer wants. With the support of modern technologies, make to order became faster and more flexible, leading to development of mass customization, which balance efficiency and personalization. The objective is to examine the evolution of mass customization and its underlying principles, to analyze key factors driving the shift from mass production to more flexible production systems, to identify key concepts and balance sustainable use of resources with customer-specific needs, and to apply relevant mass customization principles as a concept for enhancing the project's design and outcomes. Studying the development of mass customization provides valuable insights into managing diverse customer needs within limited resources. With a few principles such as modular design, simplification of choices, process flexibility, and balancing cost. Integrating this principle enables the design process to become more systematic and theoretically grounded, supporting the creation of outcomes that are better aligned with the varied expectations of users. Mass production focuses on efficiency through large standardized batches. It uses rigid assembly and uniform workflows to minimize cost, but it offers little flexibility and cannot easily meet individual customer preferences. In contrast, mass customization combines efficiency with personalization. It uses modular designs, flexible manufacturing systems, and digital tools to create multiple product variants quickly and cost effectively. Customers can participate in the design process, and customization often happens late in production to reduce waste and inventory risk. In short, why mass production prioritize cost, volume, mass customization prioritized customer and responsiveness without sacrificing efficiency. So the manufacturers that can combine these two production perfectly, they will be successful in a war of strategy. The next slide will be an example of the successful manufacturers. The Bavarian Motorwork, or the BMWs, is one of the good example of the successful manufacturer. BMW manufacturing originally followed the traditional mass production model, relying on shared platforms and interchangeable components to achieve economies of scale. For example, the same engine configurations, chassis models, and core mechanical systems are used across different BMW series, enabling high productivity and cost efficiency. BMW shift from traditional mass production which relied on shared platforms and standardized components for efficiency to a mass customization approach in response to growing customer demand for personalization. Programs like BMW Individual allow bespoke interior trim and paint options, while KOVP enables late-stage configuration changes via real-time production tracking. BMW also leverages additive manufacturing, producing over 300,000 3D printed parts annually by 2019 to create specialized low-volume components efficiently. This strategy enhances customization flexibility, reduces waste, and strengthens competitiveness.
Although mass customization is an appealing strategy, its successful implementation requires deep transformations across different levels. I will briefly walk through the main challenges and then highlight the key benefits. In terms of management challenges, companies often struggle with limited top management commitment and weak strategic planning, which makes the transition from mass production more difficult. There is also resistance to change, as managers and employees may feel uncertain when moving to a more flexible production environment. Operationally, mass customization complicates material planning, since the firms must prepare for a wider variety of product configurations, which can lead to shortages or excess stock. Finally, load balancing becomes harder because varying product types require constant adjustments to schedules to avoid bottlenecks. On an organizational level, mass customization requires much more flexibility than traditional mass production. To achieve this, companies must invest in new machinery, employee training, and redesign supply chains. Many organizations simply lack the technical expertise or trained workforce to operate these advanced systems efficiently. Technological barriers are also decisive. Mass customization relies on advanced tools, which are difficult to integrate smoothly, especially for firms with limited IT capabilities. Companies often face issues with data complexity, lack of security, and limited technical support for maintaining and updating these systems. Finally, the customer side also poses challenges. Although we assume customers enjoy customizing products, many struggle to clearly express their preferences. Customized products can also be more expensive, and not all customers are willing to pay a premium price. Moreover, research shows that if the final customized product looks too similar to the standard market alternatives, customer satisfaction decreases. Despite these challenges, mass customization remains highly attractive due to its significant benefits. It improves customer satisfaction by delivering products that better match individual needs. This creates stronger emotional connection and increases customers' loyalty. From a marketing perspective, customization tools also generate valuable data on customer preferences, helping companies identify trends and design more targeted marketing strategies. Operationally, strategies like modular design and delay differentiation reduce waste and overproduction. They align production with real demand and allow companies to maintain efficiency while charging higher prices for personalized products. Finally, by producing only what customers order, mass customization reduces excess of stock and also material waste, supporting more sustainable and environmentally friendly practices. In conclusion, mass customization is a powerful response to the rising demand for individualized products. Although it requires overcoming some challenges, its advantages make it an essential strategy in modern markets. Thank you for watching.